Hi, so today we'll be making stew peas, one of my favorite meals. So here's how I made it. So I'm going to boil my pigtail for an hour to remove the salt. Now you want to add 2 cups of water, red peas, 2 cloves of garlic, along with your oxtail. You can use beef if you like, but I'm using oxtail for this stew peas. Allow that to cook until it's soft and tender. Once the pigtail is softened a little bit, I'll be chopping it up, putting it into my pot. Then we move on to the natural coconut. I'm going to take it out the shell, cut it up really fine to put in the blender, and then I'll be blending it, straining it out to get the natural coconut milk that we need in our stew peas. So everything will be listed down below in the description box of what I've used and the recipe, so check that below. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe for more recipes. Now while everything's a little bit tender and a little bit soft, I'll be adding my coconut milk. I'm just checking the peas just to see if it's cooked, and it's not quite cooked as yet, but it can cook down with the coconut milk. I'll be adding my Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion and a little bit of Maggie seasoning to give it flavor. So my final part of my stew peas is adding spinners, as you can see, and this will help it to become thick. You want the stew to be thick, not watery. Spinners are mini dumplings. This was so good, guys. Try it out and let me know. Until next time, bye.